Wabo, welcome to Danny's channel. I told you guys a couple of hours ago that I was heading to the airport, and in front of you, let me introduce Lorraine. And I'm telling you, I'm giving you a warm Ghana welcome. Lorraine, you're here.
Yes.
You are finally here.
Finally, after 30 something hours of traveling.
Wow, right? And you're solo, and solo travelers have a special space and place in my heart, and I'm going to say kudos to you, Lorraine. Now we're going to share some information with the audience. Firstly, you reached out to my content in February.
Yes.
How did you come across Dan's channel?
Well, I saw the topic where Jamaican living in Ghana or something like that, and I came across your channel, and you know what you spoke about touched me, and I reached out.
And straight via email.
Yes.
And once you did, that was in February.
Yes.
We basically been talking almost weekly.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And ticket purchased, and you sent it to me to prove how serious you were.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So, Lorraine, do you remember what year you left? Or where were you born?
I was born and raised in Jamaica. I left Jamaica to move to the States when I was 19. That was in, I think that was in 99. Yes, that was in 99 when I actually moved to the States to live.
How long have you been living in the US of A?
I've been living now in the US for about 23 years.
That's a stretch.
Yes.
Right? That's some serious time, I would say.
Yes.
And you are traveling from, I refer to it as another country. Tell the audience where in the state you're coming from.
Well, I actually just traveled from Anchorage, Alaska.
Alaska, guys, Alaska.
And now I'm in Ghana.
Yes, and we are pleased to have you. You left Alaska at what temperature? What was the temperature?
This morning when I left, Alaska was 26 degrees Fahrenheit, so it was below freezing.
Oh, and as you touched down, tell me what you felt.
I had to chuck off layers in the plane. Because right now I think it's like what, 80 something, 90 degrees here?
You're warm.
Yes,
right?
I think it is.
And Ghana is going to let you feel her tomorrow. Now, I'm going to ask you this. Why Ghana? What has led you to Ghana?
Well, working in the States, and you face racism and just different type of vibes. I'm kind of I'm ready for like a new environment, and I was thinking about going back home to Jamaica, but I kind of changed my mind, and I heard about Ghana, and I started investigating on Ghana, and here I am.
But that's awesome, right? My content is targeting the diaspora, especially our Jamaicans. But I know you have been drilling me. You have been keeping me somewhat busy. Your eyes on Ghana. This is an exploratory trip.
Yes.
What is it you have in mind? Now, we don't have to go too deep up into your business, but I mean, you're here. What is it that you want?
Well, the thing that really touched me with Ghana, I've heard of a lot of Jamaicans live here, and I see that they have like the same fruits and stuff they have in Jamaica. They, like the yam and the banana, the plantain, and the food is very similar to Jamaica, and definitely the temperature is just like Jamaica. But they're saying that Ghana is just a bigger Jamaica. So right now, as you can see, it's night. So in the day tomorrow, I'll get to go around and see what Ghana has to offer.
Because we're doing some serious boots on the ground.
Yes.
And for you have many interests and that you want to pursue.
Yes.
Okay. And one of the big things that you are interested in is land.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So we're going to, as I said, we're going to do some hardcore boots on the ground. And I know you have had a very long flight,
Yes.
Lorraine. Over how many hours, by the way, you've been traveling?
It was 30 plus hours. Yeah.
So tell us now, because you, back in Jamaica, you said to me that you grew up on a farm,
Yes,
right?
I grew up on a farm in Jamaica.
And here in Ghana, for the short space of time that you're here, but still longer than, say, 7 days, and I'm happy about that.
Yes.
Just tell our audience, so you tell me, that the cooking, where you want cook. Just tell them that, make them know that you're serious. You're a serious lady.
But you know, right here I'm staying like at an Airbnb, so
Yes.
it's like a hotel style shared, separate room facility. So I'm planning on going to the fish market tomorrow and grabbing some fish and frying some fish. So I didn't want to offend none of the guests, so they're gonna make some accommodations for me outdoors for me to deal with my cooking outside, because it's been a while I haven't eaten some real good fresh fried fish.
All right, so you're going to set up your thing outside, right? So, fry 1 or 2 for me. We have some appointments that I've made for you tomorrow, so we have our early start tomorrow.
Yes.
Lorraine, you prepare for boots on the ground, because we're going to some serious coverage,
Yes, I'm ready.
Right? Let me tell you, I'm happy you're here. And what we are going to do is, on this journey, you'll be the highlight while you're here. So I've promised my subscribers that I'll share some footage while we're up, out and about, okay? And I'll just say we'll be going a little further outside of Accra, for you to look at some businesses. I can't say that much.
Keep watching the video and you will know where I end up.
Is there anything you want to say to those outside solo like yourself?
Come to Ghana, give it a look, give it a twirl. Come and check the place out, because it's my first time here in Africa, period. And I'm very excited to even try the African food. I've never had no form of African food before, so I'm looking forward to that.
So tomorrow after we do some rounds in the evening, we're going to road, right? So sleep up, because as I said, a very long flight. In other words, you're traveling longer than I did coming from Jamaica here, because I send in a driver for you at the crack of dawn tomorrow. So be prepared. It's a pleasure to host you.
Thanks for having me.
I hope Ghana welcomes you, and I hope while you're here, the decision that you make will be one that happens in the immediate future. Okay? Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Guys, this is Lorraine. Chirpy, nice, sweet, cute, all good. So please share, like, subscribe.
And thumbs up the video.
Yes! And what was it with the notification bell?
Ding!
There you go. Merasi. Thank you. God bless.